Best Hair Bonding Services. Bglam Hair Studio, the ultimate destination for best hair bonding, offers top-notch services for men and women. Our professional team is committed to delivering exceptional results while protecting the health of your hair. Our salon offers a comprehensive experience, carefully guiding you through the hair bonding process. We customize our approach to fit your style and provide aftercare instructions to help you maintain your new look. We are more than just a hair bonding service. We are a team of passionate professionals dedicated to making you look and feel your best. Our salon is equipped with modern facilities in a relaxing environment, providing a comfortable experience. Don't let thin or lackluster hair hold you back from feeling confident. Visit Bglam Hair Studio today and experience the transformative power of our hair bonding solutions. We promise to enhance your appearance and give you the hair of your dreams. Hair bonding is a harmless, cost-effective, and non-invasive method to increase hair length and volume. At Bglam Hair Studio, we use specially designed adhesives for hair fixing to ensure natural-looking results. Our process is quick and efficient, taking only 45 minutes to provide instant volume and length. The high-quality adhesive lasts from 4 to 8 weeks, and the lifespan of the hair fix depends on proper care. Invest in yourself with our hair bonding procedure. It's a quick, painless procedure that enhances your beauty by covering bald areas and increasing hair length. It's the perfect solution for those who aren't satisfied with the length of their hair.